They're celebrating the 47th anniversary of the Sirikit Dam, hydropower, power for life. Right over here they have a nice walking bridge where you can cross the river, go to the other side. This is where the rooms are here at the lake. These were 1200. We have a nice swing here underneath the Sirikit Dam sign. You hear the boat taking off in the water out there. The dam in the background. I did a live stream here last night and walked across. It's a long ways across this river. See another picture of the Queen. And the view looking all the way across. It's a long ways across though. Really nice river. But look how big the river is. It's actually a big river, the Nan River. Or I'm told I'm not saying it right. It's the Nan River, but it's N-A-N. I don't know if we'll be able to see the dam when I get out here a little ways. I'm going to do a video at the dam tomorrow. It's a hydro generating dam. So this is center point, and you can't quite see the dam. It's just beyond that bend up there, and it's a huge dam. Nice scenery all the way around. Another thing I noticed last night, they have a little farming operation going on over here too, where they're doing different vegetables. You can see over there on that little hill behind the cars. It's terraced.
Nan restaurant in Sirikit Damนะคะ in Uttaradit Province, Thailand. It's very beautiful. That is the bridge.
What a place. We're really surprised. We got a lovely room, a great restaurant to eat at.
Yeah.
The dam right above us here, and the Nan River is huge, beautiful place.
How the food? The food?
In the morning and try to get more footage.
Dinner is good.
Dinner was great, really good. I don't know what's up here, but I'm going to take a walk up and see. This dam is beautiful. And it's got a really nice restaurant and motels to stay in. I'm kind of surprised to see that the steps here are made out of laterite. I was understood that this can only be used in temples. But the Queen, I should say, the dam is named after the Queen. So maybe that gives them the right to do whatever they please. My goodness. It's not very far up these steps, but I'm already breathing hard early. I don't know if this is a lookout or what. Oh, I see why. got a Buddha up here, so it is the use for something religious. You have to take your shoes off, and it's a little wet. We had some rain early morning today. See if Jai's breathing hard. You can hear I am. So this overlooks the dam. So I guess this Buddha's keeping it safe. With my drone flight, for some reason, well, I know the reason, they told us that the parks fly their own drone every 2 hours to observe if something's being done at the dam it shouldn't be. So they don't want your drone in the air just in case. So I didn't fly beyond the dam. I think I stayed over the dam to the other side and out a little bit over the hydro plant. But it's a beautiful morning today. A little bit of clouds still left over from the rain, but the rain should have helped knock down some of the smoke.
Taking over. Taking over.
if you want to go riding up the hills here or across the dam, there's a lot of places you can go to ride. You can rent a bicycle here for 20 baht per hour, which is like 75 cents an hour. Yeah.
Different color.
Yeah, pretty good. There's an attendant that sits here. He was here when we were here last night, and he's still here now. You see the artwork they've done with all these shrubs? Very well maintained, beautiful place. I just noticed a couple of these shrubs are pruned like a heart. Very colorful. In the sunlight, I should have recorded some of this last night because with the reds, the lavenders, and the oranges, it really pops. The orange colors. The water feature will come on at 8 o'clock, though it's not officially opened yet. I'll have to get Jai to tell me what that says, but it's Sirikit Dam, so I assume it says maybe that. We hope you enjoyed our content here at the Sirikit Dam. Beautiful place. I would recommend you to come if you want to come spend the night, have a good meal, and sit on the river for the evening. And it's a nice spot.
Brilliant.
So if you like this content, please reach down and mash the like and subscribe. We'd appreciate it. It helps our channel. This is Bobby and Jai with Time to Get Going.
Out.
Out.